Student, next binary operation. In binary operation, third one, identity. The definition is a binary operation star such that Cartesian product of set A to A, an element E belongs to set A if it exists, is called identity. For the operation star, if A star E equal to E star A for all A belongs to A. Definition is A star E. The star is an operation addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. The answer should be A. Okay. E के प्लेस में आप क्या रखे तो अगेन A मिलता आंसर. A star E. The star is an addition. A plus E equal to answer A आना. Therefore E is A क्या E value क्या हो? For example, see here A plus is equal to A equal to plus A. यहाँ पर E का वैल्यू क्या रखे तो अगेन आपको A वैल्यू मिलता है. Therefore E is 1 or 0 or something. When E is 0, A plus 0 equal to A. Here also E value is 0. 0 plus A equal to again A. Therefore E is 0. Therefore 0 is the additive identity. 0 is additive identity. Then multiplication A into E value of E का वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या लिए तो आपको आंसर ये मिलता. Then here also E into A into 0 आंसर 0 आता. आपको क्या आना है? आंसर शुड बी A. Therefore E value is 1. A into 1 A. Then here also 1 into A is A. Therefore E is 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. 0 is addition identity, additive identity. 1 is multiplicative identity. 0 is additive identity. 1 is multiplicative identity. Simple. A star E equal to E star A. The star is an operation addition. A star के प्लेस में क्या है? प्लस. A plus E is 0. A plus 0 answer A. Then here also 0 plus A. When taking the operation on subtraction, A minus equal to A minus A. अब A E value 0 लिए तो then here also E value is 0. A minus 0, okay. A minus 0 is A. But in RHS 0 minus A answer is minus A. A is not equal to minus A. Subtraction is not an identity. Then division A divide यहाँ पर A E वैल्यू 1 रखे तो A by 1 is equal to 1. ओके, ये करेक्ट है. बट यहाँ पर ई वैल्यू 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो 1 डिवाइड बाई ए इट इज नॉट इक्वल, ए इक्वल टू ए, ई वैल्यू 1, ओके LHS करेक्ट है बट RHS a is not equal to 1 by a, therefore division is not a identity, only addition and multiplication is identity. Addition identity, 0 is the additive identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Then subtraction and division not satisfy on identity. Last definition, inverse, a binary operation star such that partition product on set A to set A with the identity element E is also in set A an element, then A is also in element A is said to be invertible with respect to the operation star. The operation star on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If there exists an element B, then B is also in set A such that A star B equal to E equal to B star A and B is called the inverse of A and is denoted by A inverse. The operation, see here, identity element, this E belongs to in set A and A belongs to set A is said to be invertible with respect to the operation star. The star is an addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If there exists an element B, when you A plus B equal to E, answer आया तो then B is also in set A such that A star B, the star is an addition. See here, A plus equal to E, then B plus A, then आप B का वैल्यू क्या रखे तो E वैल्यू मिलता. E is also addition, 0 is an additive identity, therefore A plus here minus A is 0 equal to, then here also minus A plus A, then A plus minus minus, A minus A 0, minus A plus A 0, therefore E equal to 0, therefore here B value is A inverse, B is A inverse, B is called the inverse of A, B is called the inverse of A and is denoted by A inverse, therefore the A here, A inverse is minus A is the inverse of A, B is inverse of A, B is A star B, B is inverse of A, then here minus A is the inverse of A, therefore minus A is the inverse of A, then multiplicative, A into 1 by A equal to 1, 1 by A into A, therefore B value is 1 by A, B is 1 by A, B is called the inverse of A, therefore 1 by A, 1 by A is the inverse of A, therefore here E is equal to 1. Then similar subtraction and division not a inverse, only addition and multiplication are inverse. Last exercise 1.4. This 1.4, very important for 2 marks questions or 3 marks questions. See, very easy. This exercise is very easy. Only addition, multiplication, subtraction. Then star is defined on, okay, determine whether or not each of the definition of star, this one z plus r, z plus given below gives a binary operation. In the event that star is not a binary operation, give justification for this. When star is not binary operation, give reason. See one by one. The first question, solution. First one, on z plus define star by a star b equal to a minus b. The star is defined with star such that star is defined on z plus Cartesian product of z plus 2 z plus defined by a star b equal to a minus b. See here, a belongs to positive integer, b belongs to positive integer. The operation subtraction a minus b, its resultant answer should be belongs to positive integer. Then star is binary operation. See, a belongs to z plus, b belongs to z plus, a minus b belongs to z plus. A minus b is not belongs to z plus. See example, when a equal to 1 is a positive integer, is belongs to z plus. B equal to 2 is also positive integer, then a minus b not belongs to z plus. When a minus b, a is 1, b is 2, the subtraction of these two numbers, the answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is not a positive integer. When a belongs to positive integer, b belongs to positive integer, and the operation subtraction a minus b is not a positive integer. A equal to 1 is positive integer, b equal to 2 is also positive integer. When operation on these two numbers, the operation is subtraction. The operation is on subtraction. The star is on subtraction a minus b. A is 1, b is 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is not a positive integer. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Therefore, star is not a binary operation on z plus. Then similar to second, on z plus, define star by a star b equal to ab. Second, on z plus, define star by a star b equal to, the star is operation on multiplication. The star is an operation on multiplication of these two numbers. Second question. The star is an operation on subtraction. Star is an operation on multiplication. A belongs to positive integer, b belongs to positive integer, then multiplication of these two numbers is also positive integer. See here example, when a is equal to 2, 2 belongs to positive integer, b is 4, 4 is also positive integer, and multiplication of these two numbers 2 into 4 is 8, 8 is also positive integer. You take any two positive integer, then multiplication of those two numbers is also positive integer. Okay, you take any two positive numbers, then multiply those two numbers, answer is also positive integer. Here the second one is, therefore star is a binary operation. Therefore star is a binary operation on z plus. See third question. On real number, define star by a star b equal to a b square. The star is defined by, therefore star such that Cartesian product of real number to real number defined by a star b equal to a b square. When a belongs to real number, b belongs to real number, then a b square is also real number. See example. When a is root 3, b is minus 2. Root 3 is also real number, minus 2 is also real number. The star is of operation a into b square. Then here a into b square, a is 3, root 3, a is a star b, a into b square, a is root 3 into b is minus 2 square. It is root 3 as it is, minus 2 square is 4. 4 root 3 is also real number. Is also real number. Therefore, star is a binary operation on real number. Therefore, star is also binary operation. And fourth and fifth also same. Fourth, defined on z plus, the star is a star b equal to modulus a minus b. To take any two positive integer, thus positive integer, then subtract those two positive integer and take modulus. Again positive integer. You take a is 1, b is 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, modulus 1 minus 2. Answer is modulus minus 1. Modulus minus 1 is 1 is answer is plus 1. Again positive integer. Therefore this fourth is also binary operation. Second question. For each operation star defined below, star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative or associative. First question on z, define a star b equal to a minus b. The star is binary, commutative or associative. Check one by one. See solution. First question on z, define a star b equal to a minus b. The star is on subtraction. Star is on subtraction of these two numbers. The star is binary or commutative or associative. So, first binary. Star defined on z. Integers. Integers are 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, to infinity. You take any two integers, then subtraction of those two integers is also integers. When a equal to 1, b equal to 2, means a equal to 1 is also integer, b equal to 2 is also integer. The star is on subtraction. A minus b means 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 is also integer. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Are commutative? Commutative. कम्यूटेटिव का फार्मूला क्या है? a स्टार b इक्वल टू b स्टार a स्टार b इक्वल टू b स्टार a स्टार b स्टार इज ऑन सब्ट्रैक्शन. a minus b is not equal to b minus a. When a is 1, example 1 star 2 is 2 star 1. The star is a star b. Star is an subtraction. Subtraction of these two numbers a minus b. Here 1 star 2, 1 star 2. Star is an subtraction of these two numbers equal to 2 star 1. The star is an subtraction of these two numbers 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not a commutative. Therefore, star is not a commutative. Associative formula a star b star c is a star b star c. The star is on subtraction. A minus b star c equal to a star is on subtraction b minus c. First bracket find करना. A star b star is on subtraction of these two numbers. A star b is a minus b. Then a minus b star c. Star is also subtraction. A minus b star is minus c. Then here a minus of bracket minus c. This is a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b plus c. LHS is not equal to RHS. यहाँ पर क्या है तो a स्टार b स्टार c इक्वल टू a स्टार b स्टार c. ये तो एसोसिएटिव का फार्मूला है. a स्टार b क्या है? a माइनस b. फिर ये क्या आता है? a माइनस b. अगेन a स्टार एज इट इज स्टार c इक्वल टू a स्टार एज इट इज ब्रैकेट b स्टार c क्या है? a स्टार b इज a माइनस b. b स्टार c इज b माइनस c. अगेन दिस स्टार इज ऑन सब्ट्रैक्शन. ये क्या हो गया? फिर स्टार a minus b star c is a minus b. A minus b star is minus equal to a star is subtraction. क्या होता है? a minus bracket b minus c. Then a minus b, this minus c is not equal to a minus into plus minus b minus into minus plus c. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not associative. Star is not associative. Take examples. Integers 1, 2, 3. 1 is also integer. 2 is also integer. 3 is also integer. 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to 1 star 2 star 3. 1 star 2 star is on subtraction is 1 minus 2 star 3 is 1 star. Star is on subtraction 2 minus 3. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Star 3 is equal to 1 star. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 star 3. Star is subtraction. Star क्या है यहाँ पर? Star is on subtraction of these two numbers. Star था a minus b हो गया. यहाँ पर भी minus 1 star 3 क्या होगा? Minus 1 star is minus 3 is 1 minus is minus 1. It is minus 4. This one is 2. Minus 4 is not equal to plus 2. Therefore, star is not associative. Example नहीं लिखे तो नहीं चलेगा. Second question on Q dash numbers. Define a star b equal to ab plus 1. See solution on Q. Define a star b is ab plus 1. Check. Star is binary or not binary. When a is rational numbers 3 by 4 belongs to Q, then b 2 by 3 it is also rational numbers Q. Then star is on a into b plus 1. A star b is ab plus 1. Here a value is 3 by 4 star b is 2 by 3. It is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus 1. It is 3 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is also rational number. Therefore, star is binary. Star is binary. Commutative. A star b is b star a. A star b is ab plus 1. B star a is ba plus 1. A star b था a into b plus 1. B star a रहे तो क्या होता? b into a plus 1. Therefore, ab plus 1 equal to ba. b into a is nothing but again ab. ab plus 1 equal to ab plus 1. Therefore, star is commutative. Or star is associative. Is a star b star c is a star b star c. A star b is ab plus 1. Again star c as it is, a star as it is, b star c is nothing but bc plus 1. A star b is a into b plus 1. B star c is b into c plus 1. Again it is first form. This term star c, this term is this term into this plus 1. A b plus 1 into c. A b plus 1 into c plus 1. A star b is a into b plus 1. ab plus 1 star c means ab plus 1 into c plus 1. It is a into bc plus 1. A star b रहे तो क्या होता? ab plus 1. फिर a star this term a into this term again plus 1. It is a b c plus c plus 1. It is a b c plus a plus 1 is not equal, not associative.